more than 2 years, 2.5 years, I didn't get any information about my family. They are alive, died of concentration camp. I don't know. So if I would be in the East Turkestan, maybe I take away to concentration of died of. I became the Orhan harvester. I am safe in Europa, so I would became voice less people of my country. So every Saturday and Sunday, I am protesting against the Chinese regime in Amsterdam Dam Square. Since 23 June 2018.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Sonia from the French radio.
Yes.
You talk in French?
Yeah.
Oui, vous parlez en français?
Ouais.
Très bien, ok. Est-ce que vous pouvez donc témoigner en 2-3 minutes de ce que vous attendez justement des Français, de la mobilisation des Français pour le peuple ouïghour? Could you say to French people, what do you want French people do for Uyghur?
Yeah, I asked the French people stand by Uyghur people to speak out against the Chinese regime in East Turkestan. More than 3.5 million, 3,500,000 people in the concentration camp. This is my family. More than 2 years, I didn't have any information about my family. They are alive, died of concentration camp. I don't know. So since 23 June 2018, I start my peaceful demonstration at Amsterdam Dam Square.
Thank you very much.